Hey everybody, this is Mario again with Cooking with Mario and Claire. Today we're going to make a veggie stir fry. It's a great vegetarian option, super easy to throw together. We got started by putting a pot of rice on and getting it started and chopping up a lot of our favorite vegetables: broccoli, bell peppers, zucchini, mushrooms, carrots. First we started with sauteing onions, carrots, and some garlic in a really large pan. We want the onions to break down and the carrots to start softening up. Because they take the longest, we want to get those started. We left the garlic in really large chunks so it could be seen if you wanted to pull it out. After those were softened, then we threw in thinly sliced bell peppers and small cut up broccoli. The broccoli takes a little bit, and also squeezed in some lime juice and a little bit of salt and pepper. Kind of at each stage, adding a little salt, a little pepper, because as we keep adding on and on, we start building those flavors and releasing some of the flavor. Kept stirring it around, making sure everything gets a good coating of the olive oil and the salt and pepper starts to get set in with the heat. Because the broccoli is very dense, but it cooks very quickly as opposed to the carrots. As we get closer in, then I put a lid on the pan and let them steam for a short period of time. Here you'll see I'm going to add in some lime juice. Pick 2 whole limes and just squeeze it through. It adds a lot of brightness as the vegetables start to cook down. But right now we're really just sticking with the basics: salt, pepper. I think I added some red chili flakes, but really keeping the stir frying going. Adding on, keeping it moving around so nothing burns on the bottom, but everything really comes up to temperature. Putting a lid on for about 5 minutes really gets the broccoli steamed well so everything is soft and tender, keeping it all stirring. And you'll see we've got a really good mix. The onions are really translucent now. The broccoli is tender. And we're ready to go ahead and move on and add the next set of vegetables. You can see everything. We've added in mushrooms and snow peas. Be cautious when you add a little bit of more olive oil because everything else is kind of soaked up what was in there. Not a ton because the mushrooms and snow peas are much more delicate. I added a little bit of sesame seed oil to add another layer of flavor. Got a nice toss, helping bring those up to temperature. A little bit of salt, but not a lot, because I don't want to release a lot of the fluid out of the mushroom. I don't want this to turn into a soup. I still want it to be a stir fry. I use this kind of technique when I'm getting ready to make fried rice, or even getting vegetables ready for some other kind of dish where we may layer in some other protein, or maybe just use the skillet to over noodles. So really turning it around. I'll cover it up one more time to just let everything kind of steam in its own juices and its own. And you see now how the broccoli, how the mushrooms are really letting off some of their moisture, but not totally falling apart. There's still some bite to it. At the very end, if you like to have a little protein, you can add some chicken. But if you're feeding vegetarians, feed them first, and then you can add a little protein at the end for those things that you like. pretty much it. It's a super easy stir fry, make a lot of food, and really feed the whole family. All right, everybody, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Mario and Claire.